Welcome to Evaluating Resources using CRAAP. This video will provide an introduction to evaluating resources using the CRAAP test. The CRAAP test, or CRAAP test, is simply an acronym developed by Meriam Library at California State University Chico to help you remember criteria for evaluating resources. CRAAP stands for Currency, Relevance, Accuracy, Authority, and Purpose. Before talking about what each word means for evaluating resources, let's talk about why it's important to evaluate the resources and the information that you find. Evaluating information is an important step in the research process. This step is important because it ensures that you are including quality resources in your assignments. There's a lot of information out there, and not all of the information out there is current, relevant, authentic, accurate, and written with a scholarly purpose, especially information found on the open internet. Unlike books and scholarly journal articles that undergo a publishing process to help verify accuracy and authority, anyone can publish information on the web without that information being reviewed by publishers, scholars, or librarians. And if you include outdated, irrelevant, inaccurate information, you may face negative consequences in school and in your future career. So basically, just remember, CRAAP in equals CRAAP out. So how do you know what is a quality resource that you can use in your research? Use the criteria highlighted in CRAAP. First, we have currency. Currency refers to the timeliness of the information. Some classic literature is timeless, but some current popular literature becomes quickly outdated. To determine currency, ask, when was the source written or published? Has the information been updated? Is the information up to date for your topic? Are the links functional? On a website, dead links may indicate that the site is no longer maintained or kept up to date. Next is relevance. Relevance refers to how relevant the information is to your particular research. Ask yourself, is the information relevant to your research? To what extent does the source answer your research question? Does the source answer your question directly, or does it just answer part of it? Then we have authority. Authority refers to the author or creator of the information source. Determining the author of the source is important in determining if the source is credible. The author should have some evidence of being knowledgeable about the topic and trustworthy. To determine authority, ask, who is the author? Is the author an individual, company, government entity, or an organization? Is there any information about the author that leads you to believe that they are an expert in the field? For example, can you find their education and/or other well-reviewed or cited publications on the topic? Can you find the author's contact information? And for a website, does the website address tell you anything about the author? For example, a .com site indicates a site that may be used for commercial purposes, whereas a .gov site indicates the information is coming from a government source, and a .org site typically comes from a nonprofit organization. Now for accuracy. Accuracy refers to the reliability, truthfulness, and correctness of the information. To determine accuracy, ask, based on your knowledge, does the information seem accurate? Is the information supported by evidence? Can you verify any of the information in another source? Has the information been peer-reviewed or refereed? Is the language or tone of the information unbiased? Are there many spelling or typographical errors throughout the document? And finally, we have purpose. Purpose refers to the reason or motivation for the information to exist. Knowing this is important in determining if the information is objective or unbiased. To determine the purpose, ask, what is the purpose or intention of the information? Is it to teach or to persuade? Does the author make their intentions clear? Does the point of view appear to be objective and impartial, free of political, ideological, cultural, religious, institutional, or personal biases? And finally, who is the intended audience? Is it for other scholars, or is it for the general public? Is the source written at too juvenile a level, or is it too advanced for your needs? In review, CRAAP is an acronym that stands for Currency, Relevance, Authority, Accuracy, and Purpose. Using this criteria, carefully weigh each source you're considering using for your research, and if at any time you begin to question if the source is CRAAP, do not use it. If you still need help evaluating information, assistance is available in person at the Research Assistance Desk, on the phone, via email, or through chat. Just go to the library homepage and look for Ways to Contact Us. And that's Evaluating Resources Using CRAAP.